Hey everyone, I will show you how I edit this music festival video in Filmora. Keep watching. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. First, import all the clips and music and place them onto the timeline. Then start adding markers on the main beats. Then adjust the duration according to the music beats. Trim the clips according to the beats. Then place the playhead at the start of the music and add a transform and opacity keyframe. Then, 2 frames before, set opacity to 0. Then place the playhead right at the beat marker and add a transform keyframe. Then place the playhead at the end and increase the scale by 30 to 40% and adjust the position. Now, to add a variant on beat, flip the third clip and adjust the position. Now we will add some effect. Under the Effects tab, search for Audio-Driven Zoom, and apply it onto the time and adjust it on the first clip, and make it start at the music. Then search for Audio-Driven Shadow, apply it on a new track, and keep the same length as the previous effect. Then apply the Audio-Driven Exposure effect, and then search for New Grunge Overlay 6 and apply it onto the timeline. Then search for Hue Shift. Apply it and keep it on the second, third, and fourth clip. Then place the playhead at the start of the effect, add a hue keyframe and set it to 0. Then at the end set Hue to 100. Then search New Grunge Overlay and apply New Grunge Overlay 4 and keep it till the 8th clip. Then search for Audio Zoom Squeeze effect and apply it onto the track and adjust the duration. Then copy and place the Audio Zoom Shadow effect and adjust the position. Further, I used Glitch Fuzz. Then I used Horizontal Shake. Then I used Vertical Shake. Then I used Audio-Driven Tint Sapphire, Audio-Driven Exposure, and Audio-Driven Tint Pink. It is all about mixing different audio-driven effects on different clips. Now let's see the preview. Download Filmora from the link in the description and get up to 45% off. See you in the next video.